Well, greetings and salutations. My name's Mike. I'm the owner of Urban Automotive in Oakville, Ontario, Canada at 886 Winston Churchill Boulevard. Chances are if you've clicked on this link to watch this video, you're curious on how our inspections are, because if you've read any of our Google ratings, you'll have already seen that a lot of people are surprised when they come in for an oil change. Here at Urban Automotive, we don't just do oil changes. We're not the oil change shop. We are an inspection shop. We're a maintenance shop because we're dedicated to our customers' safety and their well-being. And we commit ourselves to our inspections. If you bring your vehicle in for a light bulb or a tire repair, for example, you're going to get a 10-point courtesy inspection. And that 10-point courtesy is digital. It'll be sent to you electronically for your records. And all of our inspections are kept on file for future reference. We've started this process. We were the first independent shop in southwestern Ontario to obtain the bolt-on technology, is who we use through bolt-on, to have tablets in the bays for our technicians. So there's no paper, there's no handwritten notes anywhere where we can make a mistake or lose paperwork. It's digitally enhanced and kept on file for future reference whenever it's needed. So if you sell the vehicle, we can gladly send you whatever inspection report we've done on your vehicle if you visited with us since 2015. So, and we're continuing that trend with our inspection reports. Our oil change is called a VIP service. That's a very important person. That's who all of you are. Anyone that comes into our shop, we want to treat special. We want to give you personalized service that always puts safety first. Because again, your satisfaction is what drives us. So I want to take you through the digital inspection process so that you have a better understanding of what you're getting for your hard-earned dollar, because we all know with prices on the rise, in today's market, it's not easy and the competition is fierce. So there's lots of shops out there that claim that they can do an oil change still for $29.95. The important thing that I'm going to try to stress in this video is what is your best value for you, the safety of your family, and the safety of the rest of us on the roads around you, and try to explain the difference in the level of service. So let's begin. So here we have our tablet that our technicians use in the bays. So I've used the largest one that we have. They have smaller ones that are available. So when the vehicle comes into the bay, first things first, let's be clear that with COVID, we are still using full protection. The vehicle gets fully sanitized before our technician gets into your vehicle. It still has a steering wheel cover, shifter cover, door handle cover, seat cover, and floor mat installed in the vehicle prior to entry of our technician into the vehicle. That ensures their safety as well as your family's safety whenever the vehicle comes into our shop. They check the mileage in on the vehicle and take the vehicle for a road test. That's right, we drive the vehicle. Why do we want to drive the vehicle? We want to hear any noises that you may think are common or is normal. Wheel bearing noise, tire noise, brake noise, suspension noise. This is all part of the 70-point inspection. The vehicle comes into our bays, gets a full light check. We inspect to make sure that all of the lights are correct. And then we go through the process of doing our 70-point inspection. The 70-point inspection is very, very simple. We got green, yellow, red. Just like your lights on the street, on your street lamps when you're driving. Green is good, yellow is caution or a suggestion by the manufacturer, because you see we have the technology and the wherewithal to be able to log into our programming with Mitchell, another company that we use, to see what the manufacturer recommends based on the mileage. So you're never putting your vehicle in harm's way of voiding your warranty, because we confirm and make sure that we're using the right grade of oil, the right style of oil, and what the manufacturer recommends for your mileage, for your vehicle at the time it comes into our shop. And we make you aware of it. So we're just like your dealer in that regards. Should there be any concerns, as you see here, we've got images. We can take pictures of concerns that you may or may not know about, like scratches or dents on your vehicle. We make sure that we check it pre-entry into the shop as a protection, of course, for our shop, to confirm that the date stamp shows when the vehicle came in, that the damage was already pre-existing. So it covers our behind, but also gives you a good indication of the thoroughness of our inspections. Full 70-point inspection gets completed from every system: transmission, steering, suspension, engine operation, alignments, all the way through, from inspecting hardware, wiper hardware, all the way through the various functions of the vehicle. That's on our end. On your end, when you receive this, because of course we ask for your email and text message, we text message you when the vehicle arrives at our location, that we've acknowledged that we've received the vehicle. Then you get another text message when the vehicle enters the shop. So there's never second guessing as far as they've had my car all day and what have they done? And I have to call them. No, not here at Urban Automotive. We reach out to you to let you know when your vehicle enters the shop, and when this inspection report is complete, we send it to you. And then we start working on the estimate. So in the case of what you receive, this is our customer shuttle back from 2019. Thursday, January 24th is when we bought it. We had some issues. You get your health card. So there's 55 points that passed, 1 point non-urgent, and 3 points that were urgent. So on the inspection report, you get this at home on your tablet or on your computer. Has the different sections. And over here, you see the little eye. You can click on the eye and it pulls up a video. So for those of you that aren't very technologically knowledgeable when it comes to cars, or you're kind of fearful if to whether or not you're being taken advantage of, we have these videos attached that explain what the system is.
By their very nature, gasoline and diesel fuel leave gum and varnish throughout the fuel system. A dirty fuel system hurts engine performance and fuel economy. Small explosions in your engine leave the combustion.
So these videos are there to obviously inform you and educate you on the importance of the maintenance, what we're recommending and why, or what the manufacturer is recommending and why. This goes all the way through. Green is good. Yellow's caution. So we got some noise heard within the parking brake rear hat. Suspect rust buildup with the rear brake rotors. That's the technician note. Upon closer inspection, we take pictures of the brakes. This is what you see. It's like being there. You can see the condition of the rotor. We know where the noise is. We know we got some scoring there. We know that it's an issue. So that then allows us to provide you a full detailed cost breakdown for that inspection. Now, with this, once the vehicle is done, the vehicle gets fully vacuumed and the wheels washed, put outside, and you get a parting gift. We have a little love note that we say, thank you for coming to us, with a nice little gift, parting gift for you as well. And then we provide you obviously with costing for whatever you want. We allow you to make the decision on what you want done for your vehicle. We can recommend what the manufacturer recommends and advise you if it's going to be a potential concern for your warranty. But for the most part, you decide and we take it from there. So then we come to the billing. What is it? What does this all cost? How much is this? What's involved? Well, again, with the Cadillac, because it's a Chevy product, it takes Dexos approved oil. That means that there's an additive in the oil. We have to use the right oil with it. And here at Urban Automotive, we only use premium quality Valvoline products and premium Carquest filters. So you're not going to get a $2 filter installed with bulk cheap oil that we're not sure who made. You know exactly what you're getting here, exactly from the suppliers and exactly that knowing full sure that it is quality. So we come over here to our full costing. So over here for our little inspection report and oil change, the labor's half an hour. It takes 6 liters of oil. It's $9 a liter. It's $54 for the oil. It's $12.97 for the filter, $62.50 for the labor. And then we've got our hazmat, which is the aforementioned kit that we install in your vehicle and the supplies that we use, as well as shop supplies that are included with that, rags and such. Then our government tax. So the grand total is $156.01 for all of that service on this vehicle. And every vehicle that comes into our shop, that comes in for an oil change, aka VIP service, receives the exact same treatment. Whether it's a Land Rover, a Toyota, a Honda, a Volkswagen, BMW, Mercedes, Cadillac, they all receive the same service, but the big difference is what kind of oil do they take, how much oil do they take, how much is the filter, because cartridge filters and the standard spin-on filters are different pricing. So you have to keep all of that in mind, and that's why you may have had a vehicle that was older that had a spin-on filter that is a newer model, even though it's the same model, like an Elantra, 2012 Elantra, and now you got a 2020 Elantra. The price for the oil change is different because you've got different oil and you've got a different filter. So you need to be prepared for that. That is the major difference with us versus our competition out there. This service may not be for you. You may say that's overkill. I don't need to know all of that. But in today's modern vehicles, folks, we're dealing with full synthetic oil, which is good generally for 10,000 kilometers. So with the average person putting on 20,000 kilometers per year, you're looking at 2 oil changes per year. And with that, we do the full tire rotation, full brake inspection. Doesn't that give you peace of mind knowing that your vehicle is in good shape? Because a lot of things can happen in 10,000 kilometers, especially if you've got multiple drivers in the family. So things happen, mom and dad, that you may not know, but if you think back to when you were a kid driving, things happen, mom and dad. So it's important to know that the car is safe for everyone and safe for the road. That's why we always put safety first. We always ensure that the VIP is completed if you come in for an oil change. And the reason we ask for the VIN when you call is simply because different vehicles have different engines. So you can have a V6 Toyota RAV4, you can have a hybrid Toyota RAV4, you can have a 4-cylinder Toyota RAV4. They're all different. They all take the different grades, different amount of oil, different liters. So we don't want to sway you in any way, mislead you in any way. We want to give you an accurate, proper price for your vehicle, and we will send this gladly to you in advance so that you know exactly how much it costs. But this is the reason why we ask for the VIN. So if you call asking how much is the oil change for my 2016 Volkswagen Golf, we're going to ask you for the VIN, and this is the reason why. So once you have this information, it gets all cost broken down. We only use the premium quality parts. Keep in mind, all of our Carquest parts come covered with a 3660 warranty. That's right, 3 years, 60,000 kilometer parts and labor warranty covered, meaning in the unlikely event that the part should fail within the first 3 years or 60,000 kilometers, it's covered under the manufacturer's warranty. We also offer free roadside assistance. You spend $25 or more with us, you get a year free roadside assistance through our friends at TechNet. All of the details are available when you cash out through our trifold pamphlet. On top of that, we have our friends and family discount. If you are a first-time customer with us, our Refer a Friend program offers you $25 off your first service. So instead of this being $156, you would only be at $120 and change. I'm not good at math, sorry. Took mechanics instead of math. At any rate, we are looking at that savings On top of right now, we've got a $10 off coupon that you'll have hanging in your windshield that you can use on your next service for a loyalty program, or give it to a friend or family member to give us a try. And if you refer a friend or family member, we've got our card, refer a friend program. You write your name on the back, give the card to a friend or family member. They save $25 off the service. Your name's on the back of the card. They give us the card. We drop it in the box. Every month, at the end of the month, we do a draw. Whoever's name we draw, that customer wins a $100 Amazon gift card sent virtually. So we'll send it directly to you because, of course, we have your information on file. We have your cell number on file, which we can send it to you. So I hope that this video, although it was a little bit long, helps explain in detail what you get here, the value here at Urban Automotive, and I hope that you can see the value. We are not a quick lube shop. We are not a fly-by-night shop. We have been around. We're top 3 Oakville's best shops. Check us out online, Google us, see our reviews, and understand now what we do here, why everybody's so impressed by our inspections and reports, for being just a little shop to be able to provide you all this detail and information on a visit for the value that we offer. Urban Automotive, safety first. Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe and like on these buttons, and any questions, by all means, please comment below. Thanks again.